Hello everyone, today I will solve the three equal parts problem. It's the LeetCode 927th question. The question is to ask you to split a given array into three parts, and the binary value in each part is the same. Before solving this problem, let's first do an observation to these three simple examples. Can you split the three equal parts for the first array? No, because the total number of ones is not divisible by 3. How about the second array? No, because the number of the trailing zero in the first part is less than the last part. Then how about the third array? Yes, it can be split into three equal parts. Split here, the second part and third part. So the key observation here is that the total number of ones has to be divisible by 3. The second key observation is the trailing zero. The trailing zero in the first and the second part cannot be less than that in the third part. So very important trailing zeros. Alright, we're almost there. Let's do a final observation. For the first array, we will do the accumulate sum. Here is the accumulate sum. 0. We can see that the zeros don't affect the summation of ones in each segment. So let's change here. This one. So this is all 1, 2. Okay, now we are ready for the algorithm. First, we check whether the total number of ones in the array is divisible by 3. So we do this first. If divisible, then we calculate the accumulated sum to determine the location where the n digit is 1 in each part, and at the same time calculate the decimal value using the bitwise operation. So you see here, I use another label. We determine the n digit 1, this one, this one, and this one. We also calculate the binary value, convert the binary value to the decimal value for before the n digit here, n digit here, and n digit here. The last step, we determine how many zeros behind the n digit of 1 on each location based on our last observation. That is, 0 doesn't change the summation in each part. Let's look at the code now. Before we go to the code, I just mark what I mean for the trailing zero. So we use all this. Okay, we use a black. So we determine how many zero you can see here from this summation. And here, how many trailing zero, and then this summation here. In this code, we first check if there are enough elements in the array, and then we calculate the total number of ones in the array. If the sum is not 0 and divisible by 3, we're starting to split the array. We use a dictionary data structure to store the 3 portions and 2 integers for the cumulative sum and decimal value converted from the binary value. When the accumulated sum is equal to the 1/3 of the total, the index and the decimal value is saved in the dictionary. The same goes to the 2/3 and the whole of total. Finally, we check the trailing zero, as well as the value of each part. That's all for today. See you next episode.